In this video, you'll witness a breathtaking survival moment as he's forced to find shelter before the blizzard spirals out of control. Amidst the freezing temperature that can freeze everything in minutes, he chooses a snow-covered area to pitch his small tent in the icy desert. But the biggest problem is that the tent is too flimsy for the raging winter storm outside. As night falls, the temperature continues to plummet. Strong winds shake the small tent, snow clings to the roof, and the cold seems to penetrate through every layer of clothing. Inside that cramped space, he tries to stay warm by any means necessary. Will that flimsy tent be enough to withstand the fierce blizzard? This isn't just a winter camping trip. It's a real battle between man and the harsh forces of nature.